You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn once and for all how to pronounce this word in English. This is a verb meaning to walk with effort when you struggle walking through water, or it could be another liquid, but it's generally water. To wade is how it's pronounced. It's not wadi. That's not the correct pronunciation. If you've heard somebody pronounce it as wadi, it's not correct, unless maybe it's a name that I never heard. It's pronounced as wade. English pronunciation, how to pronounce wade. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.